Hello ladies and gentlemen, here's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and today we got a brand new car for a review. It's the 2022 Alfa Romeo Tonale with the 1.5 liter hybrid system. He has 130 horsepower and of course 4-wheel drive, and this is the brand new Alfa Romeo design. It's not as sharp as at the other models, but it's still, you can always recognize it, that it's still an Alfa Romeo. It has the classic Alfa Romeo wheels with the P0s from Pirelli. There are 20-inch, of course, so the big ones, in this beautiful green color. So at the end, every Alfa Romeo looks very nice in any color. No matter if it's red or yellow or green or blue, it still looks very nice. We don't have any exhaust pipes because they're underneath the car, so fake exhaust. Here you can see the trunk. It's not the biggest, it's pretty small, but you still have well, a little bit of space underneath too, so well, you can make a use of it, but it's nothing to compare like in a Stelvio. Of course it's the bigger model, but still you can go travel somewhere, should be enough, of course. Here you can close the trunk again. It's electrically, of course. Here you got your park view camera for the back, and yes, I can show you here at the back seats how big it is. I have to open the car, of course. So this is how it looks like at the back. So it's not much of space, but I think smaller people can sit here normally or just fit in well. And this is the price of the car. So basic price is 51,500 francs, and this one here with the extras costs 54,100 francs. Just like I said, it's the Tonale with the 1.5 liter, and of course it's not all-wheel drive, it's just front-wheel drive with 131 horsepower. And he's a little bit heavy, but it's okay. He's 1,685 kilos, so it's alright. Now I can show you the front of the car. So welcome in the interior of the Alfa Romeo Tonale, and this is the brand new interior design. Of course the steering wheel is pretty much the same like in the other Alfa Romeos, but you got this new infotainment system. The display is 10.25 inch touchscreen, of course. You got a fully digital driver's display. It shows you everything you need, so like in every other car. Here you can see the navigation system of the car. It's pretty good quality. The graphics are very nice, so it's pretty much the new navigation system, infotainment system, which you will find in the new Jeep Grand Cherokee, all in the new Stellantis products. So, and you still got physical buttons for the climate control and for the front and back heating. So pretty much here's your DNA round dial for your car system, so dynamic, neutral, and this is for eco drive. You can also shut off the electrical stability control. Here's your start button, like on the Ferraris, and the Alfa Romeo has it on steering wheel too. But that would be it for now. There's not much to say. You also got a Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds good. It's alright. And that would be it. So let's start the car. So because in hybrid it starts electrically, so you don't hear any noise from the engine. But we'll show you later the now the engine has shut on. Now we can rev it a little bit. Sounds okay. It's a 4-cylinder 1.5 liter, so well, you can't expect there much, but let's go for a drive. guys a little bit for the infotainment system. Here you can customize everything in your car, ambient lighting, your brakes, doors and everything. Also you can shut off the camera, or you can shut it on, whatever you want. From this button here you can customize the driver's display. So there are 3 views. This is a sport view, which looks pretty nice. Of course, like I said, here you can see your navigation, here's your climate control. Here you can set the vent on 3, 4, 5, 6, however you want. You can also put it, customize it to blow only on the feet or on the head, just like ever you want. And of course here's your media for your music, and well, there's nothing more even to say. So that will be it for the review. Wasn't a short one, I know, but the next one will be longer. But still, thank you for everything and for watching. Go check out my Instagram profile, hit the bell icon button, and yeah, tune in for the next review. And that was me, Don Felipe, and see you next time.